Interrogative prepositions. What is an interrogative preposition? So an interrogative preposition, una preposizione interrogativa, is a preposition used to ask a question. Okay, if you recall from English grammar, an interrogative sentence means a question sentence. Okay, so the preposition is placed before the question word since Italian questions do not end with prepositions like we commonly use in English. What are some common ways to ask questions using interrogative prepositions? Okay, so we have a chi is to whom, con chi, with whom, okay, with whom, di chi, I'll just say whose, but it's literally of whom, okay, di of whom, and per chi, for whom, okay, per for whom, chi. For example, a chi scrivi la lettera? Who are you writing the letter to? Is literally, you're literally saying, to whom are you writing the letter? Okay, so as you can see, in English, we end with the preposition. Okay, we start with the question word and you end with the preposition. But in Italian, you can't do that. So you have to get used to putting the preposition at the beginning if you're going to use it as an interrogative preposition. Okay, so put it at the beginning of your sentence. So, a chi scrivi la lettera? Con chi vai alla cinema? Who are you going to the movies with? Okay, and again, in English, we end with the preposition, but in Italian, we start with the preposition. So, with whom? Con chi are you going to the movies? And then we have di chi sono queste scarpe? Whose shoes are these? Or literally, of whom are these shoes? Okay, of whom are these shoes? Sono queste scarpe. Okay, so so that's how you would ask a question in Italian rather than just raising your voice at the end of a declarative sentence. You can use these interrogative prepositions to begin the sentence with them. Okay, if you're going to be asking these types of questions here. Okay.